Hello dear students, my name is Hanne, your foreign language teacher. Today is the first episode of our series Talk Like a Novel, and today we are going to look at some words from the novel The Sundial. Yes, let's begin. Our story revolves around two girls, two sisters and their mother, Mrs. Willow, and their names are Julia and Arabella. So the first thing is Arabella suggests that her sister likes red dresses, red tones, she likes to wear red tones, and Julia opposes this idea and says, I do not. Julia scolded at her sister. So what does scold mean here? Scold to look at somebody with an angry and annoyed expression. You can say like, it's an expression which I am doing like this. I scowl at somebody, okay? Doing this movement is scowling, having an angry expression. And then our second word appears, which is hideous. And Julia continues saying, she wants me to look hideous. So what does hideous mean? It is to be extremely bad, extremely unpleasant, ugly look. Okay, having an ugly look and unpleasant look. But it is also a very rude expression to say. You might not want to use it every time. And if you're really angry about something or somebody, then you can maybe use it. As the story unfolds, later on, Julia criticizes Arabella for not being humble and wearing clothes with outrageous prices. And how did she say it? She said it spitefully. Spitefully means to have an intention of hurting or annoying somebody out of anger. And here we can understand that Julia was angry towards Arabella. Arabella was about to reply with a counter remark, but she couldn't because Mrs. Willow interrupted her and said, "No squabbling, girls." Squabble means to have a petty argument about something, generally with unimportant reasons. Okay, let's assume that I am trying to study and my sister is intentionally making noises. And I scolded at her and I said, "Stop making noises, you little hideous creature." And she didn't listen to me and she keeps doing it, okay? And then I said to my mom, Mama, my sister spitefully keeps making these silly noises. And my mom said, no more squabbling, girls. You can use in that context. So the next time you're having an argument, you can use those 4 words in your argument. See you in the next episode, inshallah.